Bakit po ba magkaiba yung Diyos ng Muslim at yung Diyos ng Christian?
Bakit ba magkaiba ang Diyos ng Muslim at ang Diyos ng Kristiyano? Alam mo kapatid, ang sabi ni Apostol Pablo sa 4:8 ng Galacia. Ngayon, bakit ako naniniwala sa Diyos na itinuturo sa Biblia na pwede siyang magkaroon ng anak? Basahin natin ang katwiran sa 94:9 ng awit. Yung gumawa ng pakinig, di ba pwede siyang makapakinig? Yung gumawa ng mata, hindi ba siya makakakita? Kaya, kung yung Diyos ay nakagawa ng pakinig, pwede ba siyang makarinig? Siyempre. Siya nga ang gumawa ng pakinig, siya pa ang hindi makarinig. Kung siyang gumawa ng bahay-bata, yung bahay-bata ng babae nakakapanganak, siya pa kaya hindi pwedeng manganak? Makapangyarihan siya sa lahat. Kaya naniniwala ako, ang Diyos namin may anak. I prefer to believe in the God of the Bible.
The God of sect Jews, the God of Christians and the God of Islamic are the same. In Galatians 4 verse 24 to 25 Paul justifies that they have same God, and Quran also justifies this. Surah 69 verse 40 and verse 43. Jesus gives the scripture, which was already from the people of the scripture, which now is Judaism Christianity to Muhammad. Surah 9 verse 29 and verse 33. The religion that was built by Jesus to Muhammad is religion of truth, or Church of Jesus, which was from the people of the scripture. The Galatians 4 verse 8 is irrelevant. Psalms 94 verse 9 is irrelevant. Suriano means if God created the man with mind that could commit sins, then God will also create for himself a mind that could commit sins. Or that he creates women with vagina, then God will creates also for himself a vagina, meaning things which are not fitted to God. God will not create it for himself. Eli said God is spirit and male, so why will God creates for himself a physical things in such parts of a woman? Eli insisting his explanation, because he has a teachings that even before creations Jesus is already Son of God. So in this video the Son of God he is mentioning is not about the Son of Mary, but Jesus said the Father and me are one, as he is referring to Genesis 3 verse 22, they are the as, the we and crank. And when God said you are my son, I become your father, it's so clear that when he makes himself the word the one of is to be son also, it's so clear in the context of the other verses that creation already act. If Eli Suriano and those others don't believe the God of Islamic, and Islamic don't believe the God of the Christians, then they defies God and Jesus and Abraham. This is what I'm saying. All doesn't know absolutely if what and who are God and Jesus.